Come here, let's go. This way, Anna. Come on, let's go this way. This way, we will take a look here on this side. Come here. Ayan na. This one. Come on, this one. Here. Follow mommy. Here. I think I found here somewhere, anak. Asa na ba yung hinahanap ko na ano? Stroller. Yung hinahanap ko stroller, yung pwedeng i-travel na maliit lang. Yung foldable. Asa na ba yun? Wala mong mag-a-assist sa atin dito, anak. Is this the one? Oh, no. Masyado yung maliit eh. Ayan na ka, mami. Where is that one? Ayan na. Na, come here, nak. This way. Come here. Come here. Look at this. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Sa online, nasa 10,000 siya. Hindi ko alam kung magkano dito. Wala bang may mag-assist? Ayan na. Later, anak, you want bag? Parang gusto niya ng bag, ah. Wait lang. Ayan na. Nak, which one you like? Which one you like? Ayan na. Nak, here. Marami siya nakikita. Kala mo marunong. You want that? Mickey Mouse? There's a Mickey Mouse. Ayan siya. Babe, this is how it looks like, babe, on the side. And it's worth, how much? 12,000. 12,000, anak. Just sit down. Let me see. Can you lay down a little bit, anak? Show mommy. Ay, Diyos ko ninyo, marimar. Damulag na baby.
Ilang taon na siya?
1 and 7 months.
Magtuto pa lang siya. Laki, pero usap.
Tulog to kanina. Narinig niya yung tunog ng ano. Chuchu. Ay, hindi pala. Ano ba to? Carousel. Ayan, nagising na ang bata. Where's the other ipit, anak? Agoy na, wala na yung ipit mo. Oh no. Where's the other ipit? Ay, sorry, what's that? What's that, anak? Anak, yung chan mo, anak, parang si daddy na, anak. Ang batang. Kay gising lang. Oh, may bago pang sakay, baby. Oh, sorry, ma, baby. I woke you up. Oh, it's not me. Narinig niya yung tunog ng carousel. Ayan, nagising siya. Well, we're moving now, anak. Yay! We're moving! Just hold, okay? Mommy's here. We're moving. Mommy hands. It's okay. Okay. Mama will take a picture of you here, huh? Okay, let's take a picture first with Baby Yana. Oh, what's that? SM. Oh, look at here, anak. Ayan, ah. Gabi na kami nakalabas mga shots. Natagalan kami. Oh, take a picture with the, ano ba tawag yun? Nuno Punso. Oh, say hi. Picture with him. Wait lang. There. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Yummy. Kanina pa kami pag-ikot-ikot sa loob dito. Gutom na ako. Ito na yung hapunan namin. Ayan na. Dami kang tao sa Jollibee. I like this one up. Tastes good, right? want water?